How to enable or disable tab organization suggestions in Microsoft Edge. Don't be overwhelmed with too many browser tabs. Here's how you can enable or disable tab organization suggestions in Microsoft Edge. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is tab organization suggestions on Edge? Having too many tabs open in your web browser can lead to a confusing and unorganized workspace. Thankfully, Microsoft Edge helps users declutter their browsing experience with its tab organization suggestions feature. Here are 5 ways to enable or disable this feature in Microsoft Edge. Methods to enable or disable tab organization suggestions. Let's begin with the most user-friendly method, Edge Settings. Open Settings by clicking on the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner and selecting Settings. On the left sidebar, choose Privacy, Search, and Services, and go to the Search and Connected Experiences section. Find Organize Your Tabs and simply toggle it on or off. Note, however, that this option may not be available depending on how the feature has been configured in your environment. For domain join environments, use Group Policy. Appearance. First, download the latest Microsoft Edge ADMX templates from Microsoft's website, extract the .zip file, and copy msedge.admx into c:\windows\policy definitions and the language file into your system locale folder. Then run the Group Policy Editor and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Microsoft Edge. Double-click on the Enable Tab Organization Suggestions policy and set it to Enabled, Disabled, or Not Configured. After closing the editor, restart your system or run gp-update/force in command prompt to apply changes. For smaller, non-domain networks, use Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor and navigate to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Edge. Create a new dword value named Tab Services Enabled and set its value to 1 to enable or 0 to disable. Close the editor and restart Edge to apply the changes. For automated deployments, use PowerShell. Simply type in and execute this script to disable or this script to enable. And finally, for quick configurations, create a .reg file. Open Notepad and use the following command below. Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 to enable, or the following command for Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 to disable. Save it as a .reg file, right-click on it, and then select Merge. Restart Edge to save changes. With this feature, you can now organize your tabs for a more efficient workflow. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to manage tab organization suggestions in Microsoft Edge, linked in the description below.